Easiest swarm catch, part 950,483. I don't know how many times I've done this, but bottle of Swarm Commander. Hive's got a little bit of honey in it. Got one frame of brood in it. As you can see, the hive, second one in from your left, is the one that swarmed. This is a secondary swarm. The original queen and the nuke was sold out of it. And this is what happens when you leave more than 2 queen cells. This is the secondary swarm that's come out of it. If you look at the second one in on the left, second one from the right in, the blue one, is the first swarm that came out yesterday. It's simple, guys. Swarm Commander. As you can see, they're all over the bottle. You don't really even have to spray it on the frame to get it in there. So why would I want to take a chance going to an ER, getting them out of a tree way the heck up there, when I know how to read a hive? I can tell usually a day to 2 days before they swarm by their activity. It's all about being prepared. So I left 3 queen cells, if I'm not mistaken, in there. And here's number 2, so I guess we better hope and pray that the third one hatches and it's a viable queen. This is simple. You guys see her. I guarantee you she's already in there. That's what we're looking for. Easy peasy. Bye guys, thanks for watching.